Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to draw a horizontal line in Photoshop very easily. Let's begin. First of all, open your Photoshop, then create a new layer. Click pen tool, right click on your mouse, click pen tool or press Ctrl P, then automatically select pen tool. Fill, do not use fill color, stroke color, click or custom, press enter. Then click anywhere, hold shift, click and hold shift, click anywhere. Again create a new layer or click anywhere, hold shift. Increase the size. Okay. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.